I'm so excited to share these fabrics with you today. So our pattern of the month is 1950, the Max's jacket, and what I did is I picked out fabrics that I thought would be really good. But one of the things I want you to think about is switching out the sleeves. So you could do the jacket body 1950, but then do a knit sleeve. I think that'd be beautiful together. But even so, having said that, I picked florals. This would be beautiful in 1950. Now you say, how do I do that? You do the matching facing. That's all you have to do. The rest of the jacket, if you line it in black, you see if I put black behind it, you don't even see the netting. So it really gives it a beautiful look. This would be stunning. This is a cotton poly. It's a woven. Just gorgeous for this jacket. And keep in mind that also, all of these are $14.99. $14.99, kind of a giveaway price. Look at this. Would that be beautiful, like with a really dark tan pant? I just think that would be stunning. This is a flock. It's 100% cotton, and it's just a really beautiful piece of fabric. It's woven. I don't know, isn't that gorgeous? That soft florals, that's what I'm thinking. This, I put up this denim because it has the soft florals all throughout. This is a little heavier, it's a 4 ounce, but just wash it in Coca-Cola numerous times, like 3 or 4 times, and you'll see a totally different fabric. 100% cotton on this. 100% cotton on this one also. That jacket has a bias trim all the way around it that goes in the neck edge. So perfect time to get your bias tape maker out. That we featured those new ones. You can make your own bias trim. This would be a great complement to like a faux leather. This faux leather is a cotton poly. It's a woven, but wouldn't that be pretty? And just a solid jacket with a little print trim around the edge. And again, it's all $14.99, you guys. And this is lovely. You know, you do a self-facing, you do a mirrored facing to where you'd lay it underneath so that it would mirror it, and the rest of the jacket could be sheer, or you could come in with a really pretty lining behind it, and it would really make the sheerness of this pop. Just serge the seams. Don't worry about French seams or any of that stuff. They're serged, they're simple. Again, $14.99. This is a cotton poly, and it's just beautiful. So the goal is to get those jackets, get them made. $14.99 for fabric. What a deal. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.